The market profile indicator for MT4 displays the price levels and zones where increased trading activity happens. These zones with substantial Forex trading activity provide the Forex traders with the best entry levels, support, and resistance levels. Moreover, price levels indicate the best reversal zones. As a result, Forex traders can identify bullish and bearish market trends and buy and sell entry points as well as the best reversal points. The indicator works well in all intraday timeframes and the daily, weekly, and monthly charts. However, the histogram is calculated daily and displays the point of control for that particular day. New Forex traders will benefit from this indicator, as it displays the various bullish and bearish market profiles, automatically eliminating the need to identify the profiles manually. Advanced Forex traders can deploy and adapt to different trading strategies to buy and sell upon identification of the unfolding market profile. Furthermore, the indicator is free to download and easy to install. Market profile indicator for MT4 trading setup. The above used H1 chart shows the market profile indicator for MT4 in action. The indicator displays the market profile histogram in blue and the point of control in white. The market profile indicator arranges every day as a separate block or as a trading session and depicts the histogram based on time, volume, and price action. The indicator is not a standalone indicator and cannot be traded alone. The general notion of trading the market profile indicator is to identify the point of control. As there is an increased trading activity, these levels can be identified by the Forex trader as the histogram peak. The point of control of the previous trading day acts as an important support or resistance level. Traders can buy if the price crosses the previous day's point of control to the upside with a stop loss at the previous swing low. Similarly, traders can open a sell position if the price crosses the point of control to the downside with a stop loss position at the previous swing high. Market profile indicator for MT4 shows the distribution and accumulation phase of the market very clearly. It is obvious that the trend develops in stages, also gains momentum and reaches a peak, eventually losing momentum. As the indicator depicts the trend cycle clearly, it assists the Forex trader in planning the best trades. Auction market theory tries to break down the main purpose of the market and how the market participant interacts to fulfill this purpose. The only purpose of the market is to facilitate trade through what is known as dual auction process. One of the thing what traders often say, and it's completely wrong, when the market go fast one direction is it happened because there were more buyers versus sellers. This is not true, since for every buyer there has to be a seller and vice versa. When the price is going up or down, there is no supremacy on either side, but the amount of aggressivity or willingness to buy/sell for higher/lower prices. Market profile indicator. The market profile indicator depicts price action over time, highlighting key areas with a high trading volume. Peter Steidlmayer is the market profile's developer. In 1985, he was the first to offer the market profile to traders at the Chicago Board of Trade, CBOT. Before Steidlmayer, the technical analysis simply had the volume per time unit. Let's see how to use Steidlmayer's market profile indicator on MT5. How to create the indicator. The indicator develops a histogram or a bar-like structure when the market achieves its real price or equilibrium. Its primary goal was to provide price and time data collected during a trading session in an easy-to-understand format for traders. You can create the indicator by integrating data from the volume, elapsed time, and the number of ticks at specific levels between M1 and M30. The market profile indicator looks at where the most price action is at any one time in a currency pair or other market. The market profile indicator is a simple volume indicator. It is beginner-friendly and can be added to any Forex/stock trading strategy. Technically, it is a scalping indicator that works best in between 5-minute to 30-minute charts. Market profile indicator explanation. The market profile indicator applies a simple chart demonstration. The green zone at the bottom of the chart shows positive volumes or a rise in demand. On the other hand, the red bars at the top outline negative volumes, indicating an increase in supplies. When the price enters the green zone, we'll consider the asset